Auntie, then I'm a couple make you. Refill. Welcome back to my channel. So today's gift ready with me. It's going to be in tree. Okay, it's gonna be in, I said tree. Like I don't know your brand. What? It's going to be in tree. Tree is one of the native tongues in Ghana, West Africa. Hello. So that's the native tongue that I speak. So I'm going to do this whole video tutorial in tree, and we'll see how this one goes because I like to mix my tree with my brothel, aka English. So yes, let's see how this one's gonna go. This is going to be very interesting because I've never done this before. So hey, and I will start speaking English right here. Me starting makeup now. I am the milk of magnesia, but family meaning first because meaning I na angwa and then angwa I don't know how to say that. I'm sorry. In tree. And medium, like, you know, too much oil. And you know, it's in the milk of magnesia, you put a pan in your second. You know, and if I could be in one that maybe I used you if still need to one thing. Hey, many cheerful, I said, I when you are need catching myself, when you cheer away, I'm going to fool. I'm your nyano ate. It's me there. I'm your sisters. No. So I just realized it's me country all the way. Feel me? Like, and for friend, it's okay. Nobody's judging me. Uji your big girl I need it. Hey, Uji your big girl I need it. Say Joe girl I need it. See I feel me come me. What is this called? My eyelid. You know what? I can. Call my eyelid. So with the difference in Juvia's masquerade part, make Burkina. Make Burkina be fast and first. When I'm a simple look, simple go to like 1, 2, like me Jenny Fifia, like make baby come out. That's in the chimney. Where am I? Naked smoky palette no where tuntun and yet tuntun p brown a very dark brown. It's made of 4 corners, one corner oh baby. Ping pong ping pong. Hey, I'm gonna go with you. So Ambrosia Cosmetics, my eyeshadow base. I just set my eyeshadow primer. The eyeshadow me, it's just simple. I don't know what to tell you because simple. I feel that I'm there when you're like Casablanca. Oh, Juvia's palette. Baby, I made the Ambrosia so yeah. I'm bright, simple and brighty. What be I don't know. Like a dog baby, more everyone can dog baby should be free. Any command quite. See, try me, dear me, oh. Concealer, many now so I'm moving on to the next step. Me concealer no be funny, you see. That's it. My so me can create on my so concealer the first I be man to take a cow. Oh, Bernie for friend a mustache. Hey, my 3 classes in Ghana didn't pay off. Oh my God, we call morning star. Arise and shine. I went to Morning Star School. Oh, me free Ghana when I was a little bit story of myself. I don't know. A little bit of history. Me free Ghana na me di 11. Do back home. Hey! Do back home. I'm gonna come Morning Star. Morning Star, arise and shine. To that school. So I'm calling no more school. Oh, mommy, what? Come in that. It was so mean. I'm Gloria to my class. My classmates for me. They made me show my name. Foolish. Foolish girls. Oh, I haven't been to Ghana since I left Ghana. It's so sad. They see me planning trip. I'll be there soon. I'll be coming. Maybe. Me planning. Me boy me home. No. It's been how many years? Maybe around 2003. I said, what year are we in? 2018. So when I do calculation. It's been 15 years. 15. Oh boy. Hey! It's been 15 years since I've been in this country. Me Becky. Me do me Sasha Buttercup powder. Me bake, you know, na me contour. Me use black radiance powder. Me in a bowl. I'm not gonna keep nothing. In the shade Ebony. Oh, Ebony. You see? Oh. I'm sad. I figure my sad. I can't mention the name Ebony without being sad. My sister Ebony. May your soul rest in peace. Why? So I don't even want to talk about it because it's gonna make me cry. Honestly, because she was my bitch, y'all. I feel like I'm a cabra because I'm getting sad. I'm getting sad. Oh, my girl Ebony. Ebony Reigns. I'm gonna contour me anymore. I send me a revo. Like I send me a mobile. If you pop out and if you see, send me a picture. Me say something. To get rid of the backflash, to make my foundation. A boo boo. I don't know how. I mean, blame me, I can't tell someone from me, never cook anymore. No more, they only go and no more touch me. Like, they don't care. It's functional. Oh, let me have a my foundation, a boo boo and a boo. And then so. Ain't it? It's so expensive. How much was this? Damn near $50. See, it's only not Mrs. Yeah, man. That's the foundation. Powder foundation. Yeah, I don't want to waste one. In case you can say it. That's two. It's so cheap. We won't go there. First, let me start to share makeup now. Let me check me cheap brush. You see, let me stroke my pen. Let me cheap. Let me stroke brush. See, once I aim before, I need to color. Color is the final brand lipstick. Let me stroke. But I can't do my makeup without my blush. I need it. I need my blushing. Okay, maybe highlighting me. Highlight I'm me using. And it's from Becca. So Pass. This is one of my favorite highlighters. I'm there with me come over and tree. One of my favorites. Oh, I like to phone so oh shiny. Very bright. Yes. Shine. Oh, nice one too. Bright enough. I like it. It looks big, but it's just because my nose is big. Lipstick, yeah, my boy. We're my favorite combination. We're gonna be a combination. Yeah, my MAC and my chestnut lip pencil. I'm doing the MAC my friend said lipstick here, and my friend is like full lipstick. This will get so sexy. So sexy. So sexy. The shade lipstick where I like me feeling hutu. Like feel yourself. And see, maybe I may make I didn't spray my face. Oh, it's gonna spray. Look at my hair. Like you guys like ruffable. Oh, this is the first time I measure colorway. Like let me throw some measure colorway, but if I tell me come on, I mean if I look so nice, girl. Yes. So this is the fun. Oh, maybe you. Oh my goodness. So this is the final look. My hair is cute and whatnot. Cut out my fur. Freaking cute. I really like this hair. This is like the first time. The tree is gone. I'm sorry. This is like the first time like I rock this color and I really like it. Ooh. I really like this hair. Oh my gosh, it is so